Hello, hello, welcome, welcome, gather around. Delightful's love, peace, and positivity is here today. And we're going to read How Excellent. Green light means go. I guess you're wondering, Delightfuls, where have you been? I'll tell you where I've been. I've been doing my aquatic regimen, getting in the pool, swimming and floating and moving these limbs. Aquatics is a great form of physical therapy or exercise which is gentle on the joints, but it can definitely tire you out. So hey, I've just been getting back in the swing of things, but I'm here now. Are you all ready to read? Well, come on and let's read. Today's book at Reading with Delightfuls, Skin Like Mine by Latasha M. Perry. Now, Latasha M. Perry is a native of Michigan, where I'm from. She's actually from Flint, Michigan. Skin Like Mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade it for any other shade. I love my brown skin. Oh, where do I begin? My sister and I are both shades of brown. Me like peanut butter, and she a hazelnut spread, both creamy and smooth. If I had to choose, it'd be hard for me because both are so yummy. Skin Like Mine is really neat, sort of like a brownie treat. Dark chocolate brown, so tasty and sweet. I love my skin from my head to my feet. When I look at Grandpa's skin, you know what comes to mind? Caramel. That's it. A touch of golden brown drizzled on top of your ice cream. Ooh-wee! This is making my tummy hungry. My best bud in the whole world, Sean, we're like cookies and cream. When we're together, our skin doesn't mean a thing because we know it's what's in the inside that matters most. Color should never keep two people from being close. Imagine a world with one hue of colors. How boring would that be? I don't know about you, but I like a variety. Like a bag of lollipops, each bringing a different splash of flavor to my mouth. If everyone was the same, wouldn't that be a shame? skin like mine is quite divine. In fact, I'd say it's one of a kind. I wouldn't trade for any other shade. I love my skin. Oh, how I love my brown skin. The end. I want you to embrace your skin on today and every day. I want you to love who you are, who God has created you to be, no matter what color your skin may be. Stand bold and be proud of your color and embrace the beauty of your brown skin and love from within. Remember, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you again this week at Delightful's Read-Along, Reading with Delightfuls. Delightfuls, love, peace, and positivity. Mwah, mwah. Have a blessed day.